Hello, I'm very excited to introduce my workshop, Heal Your Past Lives, 6 Steps to Dissolve Old Trauma for Lasting Happiness. My mission is to lighten your load, to empower you to permanently dissolve negative patterns rooted in the past and enjoy abundant health in your life right now. Many people carry distant memories of traumatic heartbreak and fear. Deep subconscious impressions affect our present reality and can show up as discomfort, stress, irrational reactions, or illness. I personally suffered from depression, food intolerances, and bizarre, undiagnosable illnesses. As a professional healer, I began doing regular sessions on myself and was shocked to discover I have over 200 other lifetimes on Earth, many of them traumatic. I developed a method to see and permanently dissolve old patterns at the root of my negative emotions and self-defeating habits. I did many of these sessions under relaxed self-hypnosis. As scenes from another life revealed themselves, I could hardly believe the wounds that came up to heal. My journey included many wars all over the world. Sometimes I was an innocent victim, but other times selfish and cruel. Sometimes royalty, other times in total poverty or religious renunciation. I died in the Inquisition, and I died again in the Holocaust. In one life, I was a general in Genghis Khan's army, a bareback horse rider and a sharpshooter with my bow and arrow. I fell off my horse in battle, shattered my nose, broke my skull, and was left for dead. My horse brought me around, and I lived in that strange land for the rest of my life. Another lifetime, I was a medieval nun, Hildegard von Bingen, the composer of ecstatic chants, and persecuted by the church. I was a cruel hybrid royal in Babylon, and a good-for-nothing thief in China. I was a Tibetan Lama 4 times, and on several occasions froze to death. Many of my lifetimes were quite normal and even boring. I just asked to find the top issue to resolve for my life now, whatever it might be. Were all these horrible experiences lessons to benefit me somehow on my path? I don't know. I took scribbly notes and wrote a journal of the stories. We could discuss these a bit in the workshop if you like. With every healing session, another layer of trauma lifted. My health issues disappeared. I found it easy to forgive everyone, especially myself. My healing sessions became a step-by-step, life-changing journey to wellness and happiness. Those of you who know me have seen the radical changes and blessings that followed in my life. I guarantee that if you do this technique with integrity, you will lighten your subconscious burden of trauma. When you see it and just let it go, you can begin to live happier and help many people right now. Humanity's wild and woolly history is accessible to each of us. If I can do this, anyone can do this technique. I hope it can help all of us to dissolve our negative memories together. Now, more than ever, it is time for us to heal our wounds, to dissolve old subconscious impressions and negative patterns. We all deserve to discover our true nature and to live a happy life today. Clearing your trauma will give you clarity and completely alter your day-to-day perspective. The workshop includes 3 one-hour classes on different days and a PDF text. Come join me for my workshop, Heal Your Past Lives, 6 Steps to Dissolve Old Trauma for Lasting Happiness. See the link below for dates and more info. Thank you.